Hey gang, Bronco Carl 92 here. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger side door handle on a 2007 GMC Yukon. Okay, so our outside door handle here has got a little issue. It's no longer attached at the front. So let's get this door panel off and we'll show you how to change it. Alright, so here's our new handle. Just genuine GM part. Ran me about $65. So it looks like this part here is what actually broke off, because that's actually what's still stuck on the door. The handle is made entirely of plastic, except for this one little metal part here and these metal thread inserts. So I guess after 9 years, they don't last too long. So anyhow, let's get this door panel off, and I'll show you how to change this out. Okay, so to get the door panel off, we just have to remove this trim piece, the lock knob, and the inside handle pull. And I believe and it looks like there's a little access here, and then I think at that point the door panel should just pull off. So that came off easy. The lock knob just has a little catch on here. Pull that out, and that just slides off. There's a little cover in here that just pulls off also. And this piece is plastic, so be careful when that comes off. And then it looks like we have two 10s here and a 10 here, and then the door panel should lift off. Okay, so just have these two 10s that are inside the handle assembly. One inside the little pull here. I just get nervous with older door panels. The plastic tends to bust if you gorilla them, so don't do that. I suppose I could have pried this out, but I didn't want to damage the wood. The nice thing is these are all color coded and marked by color, so you really can't screw up putting them back in place. And then finally we just have to get this cable off here. You really can't see, but I'll show it to you. There's the door panel. That cable was clipped in right here, so I just pushed the two little protrusions and unclipped it from here. And next, you want to carefully remove this moisture barrier. Not kill it. So I'm just going to kind of fold it over. It looks like our door handle is right here. And can't do that one. Bottom one. Yep, the bottom one. Get you closer. One 10mm. Second one. Second one feels like it's kind of recessed. Here it is. So our broken piece fell out. It's just like a thread insert that's in plastic. I guess that's really not that strong. Just kind of carefully wiggle the handle out and then just kind of wiggle that off. Take the new handle. Wiggle that back on. And put this back into place. Now this should be interesting. Get your hand up in here. One. Second one. Don't want to forget to put these rubber plugs back in place. Moisture barrier back. Sound insulation, whatever they want to call that. So now we're going to engage our release cable. It goes right into this little chrome slot. Just stick the ball in there, stick the cable into the thing, and clip it in place. Feed the wiring back up through the pocket in the door. Then you want to lift the door panel up and over the rubber seal. Make sure your lock rod comes through here. And then just carefully pop all your clips back in place. They should snap easy. If you have to force them, you might break them. Put our 10s back in. Here's our lock knob. Just basically slide it till there. Push that. That's on. This covers the holes there. Here's our switch panel. Like I said before, everything's color coded. So we have a black and a white, brown, gray, and finally another black. In. The cover goes here. Looks like the bottom goes in first, and then the top. And then finally, this little piece of trim here. And that's that. Perfect. All right, so that was relatively easy. So as always, thanks for watching Bronco Carl 92, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care. Oh, and by the way, this should be the same procedure for a Tahoe or a Silverado, GMC pickup, etc. Have a good one. Take care.